Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making the prerequisites active. Your Samsung TV is powered on, updated, and your phone runs the Google Home app on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, open Google Home and tap the plus icon to add a device. Choose Set up Device, and then New Devices in your home. You do this so the app can scan and find the TV or Chromecast endpoint. Make sure network discovery permissions are allowed on your phone so the discovery proceeds without delays. Once Google Home lists the Samsung TV or attached Chromecast, select it and confirm the 4-digit pairing code shown on the TV. This prevents accidental connections. Then accept the permission prompts for location and local network so the app can control playback and volume. After pairing, assign the TV to a room name to enable more natural voice commands. Make sure to set or link default services for music and video, so casting and voice requests. You finish by testing. Cast a video from YouTube or say, "Hey Google, play show on TV" to verify voice control. Use the Google Home app to change volume, switch inputs, or stop casting. This confirms full control. If things go wrong, restart the TV, your phone, and the router, then recheck that both devices are on the same network. If discovery still fails, toggle local network permission on your phone and reboot the TV. This solves most connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.